It's officially tax day, and if you're going to miss the filing deadline, you have options, but they're limited. You can electronically file tax form 4868 today to request an automatic filing extension. That will give you 6 more months to prepare and file your return without any late filing penalties. And those are penalties you'll want to avoid, with the federal penalty for failure to file starting at 5% a month and topping out at 25% of taxes owed, and state penalties can be worse. However, that extension doesn't change the date your tax payment is due. You're still going to want to send something in by April 15th. Otherwise, you're subject to a 0.5% to 1% monthly federal penalty for late payment, which also caps out at 25% of your unpaid taxes. Experts advise you to pay what you think you owe now to the extent that you can. If you pay at least 90% of your taxes owed when you file an extension request, there's a good chance the failure to pay penalty may be waived. And remember, those who file their returns more than 60 days after the deadline or the extended deadline are also subject to a minimum penalty of $135 or 100% of the unpaid tax, whichever is less. In New York, I'm Brittany Humar for The Street.